Welcome student in the second part of the video. Now the causes of diversity. Yes. What are the causes? Why this type of diversity found in all over the world? So many peoples who eat fishes in India, coastal areas, peoples very fond of about the fish and rice. But the peoples who live in the plain areas also eat wheat, sugarcane and rice also. So what are the reason why this type of diversity found all over the world? Some people live in cold region and some people here, and the earlier time who speak Persian, after that they convert into Urdu language. So the regions of these diversity found in all over the world are here. Some points regarding this, you can see in this picture so many types of landforms found in all over the world, like mountains, desert, coastal areas, plateaus, plain areas found all over the world. So the first reason is history, geography, occupational differences, language, religion, physical characteristics of the people. And the first one is history. How we can say that the history responsible for the diversity in the world? Because people around the world traveled from one country to another in search of new land, jobs or trade partners. You know that from your family also the peoples move to one place to another place, and also one country to another country for the searching in search of new jobs or maybe for the lands. So thereby introducing new customs and culture to the existing inhabitants of the country. Like as if the Indians move to another country in London, in America, they also celebrate their festivals and their dress up. So the people of there also follow them, and the peoples who came in India from the another country, they also follow their customs and their another activities. So the peoples from the India also try to follow them. So this is the reason that the one culture or one language is spread in all over the world. And so when new custom and the prevailing culture of the natives amalgamated means mix up, they combine with other customs. Amalgamated means they combine with other customs. For example, when the Muslim rulers, Muslim rulers Babur, Humayun, Akbar came in India with Persian language. But when they entered in India, they mix up with Hindi and Persian also, and they introduced Urdu language. With the mix up of Persian and Hindi, they introduced Urdu language. It gave rise to a new language called Urdu. And also Persian, Chinese, Arab also came in India with their languages. And next one is geographical. Earth consists of different landforms: mountains, desert, fertile plains, plateau region, coastal area and island. And this geographical diversity influence the climate of a region. Because mountain areas are very cold, desert very hot, fertile plains moderate type of climate, plateaus also hot and humid, coastal areas also hot and humid, and island may be hot and humid or cold. The geographical diversity influence the climate of a region, thereby leading to differences in food habits also. Food habits, dress, customs, culture of people around. The people who live in the coastal areas, they eat fish because they easily available fish, and they are not the production of wheat which we eat in the plain areas. So they prefer to eat fish. And same in the plain areas, people prefer to eat wheat because it is it grows in the very much production, so they eat wheat. And with this they also follow their dresses, because you know in the South India peoples wear lungi type of dresses, and in the desert area peoples also use turban on their head for the protection of heat. So the dress up refers to climate. Which type of climate they follow, they wear this type of dresses. For example, people in the coastal region of India prefer seafood, as I told you, while people living in desert usually eat bread made of millet flour. And similarly in South India, people wear light and cotton clothes throughout the year. While the people in North India wear clothes according to seasons. In winter season, woolen clothes; in summer season, cotton clothes. But in the South India, you know, the temperature is same all over the season. Not too much differences. Their seasons are same and the temperature of the atmosphere same. Now occupational differences. Our occupation may also depend on the geographical feature of the people, because all of us follow a variety of occupation. You know, for example, people who live in coastal region practice fishing. People who live in coastal areas practice fishing as their main occupation, while people who stay in fertile plains are majorly involved in agriculture, because in coastal areas fishing is the most important occupation for the peoples, and in the plain areas people involved in agriculture, farming, in the practice of farming. Now language, you know, in India, in all over the world, so many languages speak out. Like in India, Hindi, Gujarati, Tamil, every step. You know, in India, about 1600 languages and dialects. Dialects means also their version, means with some changes, like Hindi in India. In Hindi, also the dialect of Hindi is Haryanvi. Yes, Haryanvi, Gujarati also the dialect of Hindi. So 1600 languages and dialects. Of these, you know, 22 languages are recognized by the Constitution of India. And you know Hindi depend on Devanagari script. Hindi is Devanagari script and English are recognized as the official language. Now religion. As I told you, all over the world, so many religions followed, like Christianity, Hinduism, Islam, Judaism, Baha'i religion, uh, Taoism, and Shintoism, and Jainism also. Jainism and Buddhism also. In India, all religious. In India, all religious communities enjoy equal status in the society.